Maybe if you worked out, they'd fit. Ugh. Go ahead and cry like you always do. I am leaving you.
What? Oh, you can't leave! Wait, no, wait! You cannot leave. We have a kid together.
Daddy, don't leave!
I'm sorry, but you're not even my kid.
I'm not?
Oh, come on. Was it not obvious?
I was gonna tell you when you were older. Wait, if this is about the genes, I'll start working out. I promise.
It's not just that. I am tired of living this broke life. Do you know how much money I would have if I didn't have to take care of the both of you? And you spend all my cash on all your shopping. And, also...
Also?
I met someone else.
Who? Mrs. J? You cheated on me with Sam's teacher?
Sorry. I've been meaning to tell you this. Let's go, babe.
Wait, no, don't go. I want to say I'm sorry too, because I've been hiding something as well.
You have?
Yes. I won the lotto, and they paid me $100 million. So all these designer bags were actually a gift for your birthday. And I also bought us a mega mansion on the beach.
Really? Oh, well, in that case, I'll stay.
Yay! Does this mean you'll be my dad again?
Yes, my son.
Oh, it's too late for that now, because you have a new parent, Sam.
Okay.
I do? But who?
Well, that's actually something else I've been hiding, because Mrs. J doesn't actually love you.
She doesn't?
No, she loves me.
Oh, I was just leading you along to see what you would do. But in the process, we fell in love. I'm Sam's dad now.
What? No! I will not let you get away with this! I am suing you for half of your lotto winnings!
Nice try, but I recorded everything. And with this evidence, I'll make sure you do not get a dime.
Oh, come on, Armando. You should have known. What happens in the dark always comes to light. Vamos, mi familia.